In this illustration, we will create a new vendor record for use in the system. Let's navigate to a new vendor screen by going to Payables and choose New Vendor from the quick menu. This will open the entry screen and allow us to add our new vendor. The required fields for data entry are marked by an asterisk, and you will receive a notice that the record cannot be saved if this information is absent. The required information for a vendor is the vendor ID, vendor name, country, vendor class, and general ledger accounts. You will notice that the majority of this information will be updated based on the vendor class that we select at the time of entry. Depending on the way that your instance has been set up, you might need to enter a vendor ID. Your system might be set to automatically assign a new ID if you see the word New in the vendor ID field. If you do not see the word New in the vendor ID field, you will want to enter a new ID. We do not see New here. We will enter Supplies Co. for this new company. We will also add the vendor name of Supplies Company, and notice that this information is automatically added to the company name in the main contact information below. We will now fill in the address information for this vendor. And then we will choose the vendor class to associate with this vendor. Your system might be set to automatically assign a default vendor class to each new vendor based on the system preferences. However, if this field is blank, we will need to add in the vendor class here. The vendor class will add default terms and the general ledger information. Now all of the required fields have been entered and you are able to save the record. Once saved, your new vendor is ready for use in the system. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please let us know if you have any questions by giving us a call or sending an email to acumatica@absbean.com.